Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. I am here to do some Halloween makeup. I know that it's not a Halloween season at all, but I cannot wait anymore for the end of the year and the Halloween to come. So I right now want to begin into Halloween makeup. So without wasting time, let's get started, you guys. I'm so happy that I'm doing this finally. I don't know whether this is going to turn out to be good or bad. It's my first time attempt to any kind of Halloween makeup in my life. I've not done it even off camera. So yes, I have done my base. I'm right here sitting in front of you and we are going to begin the Halloween makeup. My dream. I hope that it comes to a good dream and not a nightmare. Actually, it should be reversed. I hope that it comes like a nightmare and not like a dream. So yes guys, let's get into the video. So better than this? No. TZ Cosmetic. So this palette has all the weird colors which we want, and let's begin. So I'm starting with the black color. So guys, I'm going to switch from my eye to my face, to my face, to my eyebrows, and then later something else. So please don't mind because this is my first attempt. So whatever suits me, I am doing that. And now once we are done with the black, I am going to dig in the red color and smudge it more further. And with the help of a sponge, I am just going to clean up the edges and smudge it really nicely. So after this, I am going straight to the eyes and I am applying the black color directly on my eyes. Just randomly, like literally. I guess now I've started looking a little more scarier. I like it. I am going to end the black a little lower. And now taking the red, I am going to go under my eyes. So the best part of using the same brush is it matches and mixes the colors which we are using, and that's what all we want. And I'm taking the red a little lower like this. So in this we have to accentuate the bad part of our faces. Now I'm going to go a little bit in the blue and I'm going to fill in this center part. And with the blue I am going above my eyes as well. And to finish this entire thing, I am going to go again with the red, filling in my brow bone. Now taking some tapered brush, I'm going to dip in the red and I am taking this right out. And now some black detailing for some better version of what we have done. The Cheerleader from Huda Beauty goes right on my eyebrows, and I am going to smudge it with the red color again. So I'm taking a black pencil and I am now going to carve this more and putting some black, doing my nose up, and the other eyebrow I am filling it more black, and just a little bit of smudge on the nose. And now once this is smudged, I have just applied my fake lashes. My battery is dying, I need to finish it. So I've done half of my lips with the Cheerleader Huda Beauty, like so. So I'm making one side smile and one side frown with the brown one. And I'm applying some silver glitter on the inner corner of my eyes, a little bit on my lip, and on the brown side on the lower lip. This is my final look, guys. I hope that you like it, and if not, forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, or else this Halloween look is gonna kill you guys. Till then, bye bye.